The process begins with large rolls of aluminum, weighing several tons. These rolls are delivered to the factory and stored in a controlled environment to maintain the material's quality. The aluminum coils are fed into a machine where they are uncoiled and cut into smaller circular blanks. Each blank is used to form a single can. The circular blanks are pushed into a deep drawing press, where a punch presses the blank into a cup shape. This process forms the can's cylindrical body. The cups are then drawn and ironed through multiple dies to elongate and thin out the aluminum, creating the familiar thin-walled can body. The can is simultaneously shaped and stretched to achieve the right height and thickness. After forming, the top edge of the can is uneven, so trimming machines cut the cans to a uniform height. This step ensures all cans are identical and ready for the next phase of production. The top portion of the can is reduced in diameter or necked to create a small opening where the lid will be attached later. The edge of the opening is flanged or curled outward to facilitate easy lid attachment. After shaping, the cans undergo a multi-stage washing process to remove any oils, lubricants, or debris left behind from the forming process. This is essential for food safety. The cans are dried with hot air before moving to the next stage. A thin layer of protective lacquer is sprayed inside the cans. This coating prevents the cola, which is acidic, from coming into direct contact with the aluminum, preventing corrosion and preserving the taste of the drink. The cans are sent through an oven where the internal coating is baked to ensure proper adhesion and durability. Before printing the Pepsi logo and other graphics, cans receive a base coat of paint. This helps the design adhere better and appear more vibrant. Specialized printing machines apply the Pepsi branding and any promotional designs to the cans. These machines can print at an incredibly fast rate, applying multiple colors and images with precision. The cans then pass through another oven to dry the ink. Automated vision systems inspect each can for defects such as dents, improper printing, or misshapen bodies. If any can is found defective during the inspection, it is automatically rejected and diverted from the production line for recycling. Before filling, the cans are passed through a sterilization tunnel to ensure they are completely clean and safe for filling with beverages. The sterilized cans are transported to a high-speed filling station. The filling machine injects the precise amount of Pepsi or other beverages into each can. This is done in a pressurized, sterile environment to maintain the beverage's carbonation and prevent contamination. A separate machine places a pre-formed aluminum lid on top of each filled can. The lid is positioned and aligned perfectly with the can's flanged edge. In the double seaming process, the lid and the can body are rolled and crimped together. This creates an airtight seal that ensures the beverage remains carbonated and protected from external contaminants. Sometimes, a drop of liquid nitrogen is injected into the can before sealing to pressurize the can and strengthen its structure, especially for non-carbonated beverages. To ensure that cans can withstand the internal pressure caused by the carbonation, they are subjected to pressure tests. Machines pressurize the can to check for leaks or structural weaknesses. Sensitive instruments are used to detect micro-leaks in the sealed cans. Cans with any leaks are removed from the production line. A laser or inkjet printer applies batch numbers, manufacturing dates, and expiration dates to each can. This ensures traceability for quality control and consumer safety. While the can itself is printed with the main Pepsi design, other labels such as promotional stickers or barcodes can be applied during this step if needed. Grouping the cans are automatically grouped into sets depending on the packaging format: 6-pack, 12-pack, 24-pack, and so on. A machine groups the cans together in perfect alignment for the next stage. Shrink wrapping or cartoning. Depending on the packaging method, the cans are either shrink-wrapped in plastic or packed into cardboard boxes. These packages are then sealed and labeled for shipping. Automated palletizing. Once the cans are packaged, robotic arms or automated machines stack them onto pallets. The pallets are built to specific configurations for efficient transportation and storage. Wrapping and securing. The loaded pallets are wrapped in stretch film to secure the packages during transport. Weight and visual inspection. Before leaving the factory, the final pallets are checked for any packaging defects or weight discrepancies to ensure consistency. Random sampling quality control staff may perform random checks, opening packages to test cans for leaks, proper carbonation, or visual defects. Shipping to warehouses. The completed pallets are transported to distribution centers using trucks. From there, the products are sent to retail stores, supermarkets, and vending machine operators. Supply chain management. Pepsi uses advanced supply chain management systems to track the shipment and ensure that the right quantities of product reach each destination on time. Once the cans reach distribution centers, they are carefully stored in warehouses. These warehouses often use automated systems and conveyor belts to move pallets efficiently and track inventory in real time. Pepsi uses software to monitor the expiration dates of products, ensuring that older stock is shipped out first, following the first-in, first-out principle to avoid waste. From the warehouses, the cola cans are shipped to various retail outlets, including grocery stores, supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machine distributors. Pepsi's logistics team uses route optimization technology to minimize transportation costs and reduce delivery times. They plan routes to ensure that the products arrive at retailers fresh and efficiently. Product placement. Once the cans arrive at retail stores, Pepsi's sales and merchandising teams work with store staff to ensure that the products are displayed prominently. This can include arranging cans on shelves, in promotional displays, or in refrigerators to attract customers. In-store promotions. Pepsi often coordinates in-store promotions or special offers, such as discounted multi-packs or limited edition flavors, to drive sales. These strategies are executed by the merchandising team in collaboration with store management. Buying the product. Once the cola cans are displayed at retail locations, customers purchase them either individually, in multi-packs, or in bulk. Pepsi products are available in various outlets including supermarkets, vending machines, convenience stores, and online platforms. Consumer interaction. The brand continuously monitors consumer feedback through various channels such as online reviews, surveys, and social media. This feedback helps Pepsi make adjustments to its product, packaging, or marketing efforts based on consumer preferences and trends. Post-consumer recycling. Once consumers finish drinking the cola, the empty aluminum cans are recyclable. Pepsi actively promotes recycling programs and collaborates with various recycling companies and governments to encourage consumers to recycle their cans. Sustainability initiatives. PepsiCo is committed to reducing its environmental impact by increasing the use of recycled materials in their cans and ensuring that the production process becomes more energy efficient. They work towards improving sustainability in their supply chain, including water conservation, energy reduction, and lowering carbon emissions.